How to read a Forex quote. Currencies are always quoted in pairs, such as GBP, USD or USD, JPY. The reason they are quoted in pairs is that, in every foreign exchange transaction, you are simultaneously buying one currency and selling another. How do you know which currency you are buying and which you are selling? Excellent question. This is where the concepts of base and quote currencies come in. Whenever you have an open position in Forex trading, you are exchanging one currency for another. Currencies are quoted in relation to other currencies. Here is an example of a foreign exchange rate for the British pound versus the US dollar. The first listed currency to the left of the slash is known as the base currency. In this example, the British pound. The base currency is the reference element for the exchange rate of the currency pair. It always has a value of 1. The second listed currency on the right is called the counter or quote currency. In this example, the US dollar, when buying, the exchange rate tells you how much you have to pay in units of the quote currency to buy 1 unit of the base currency. In the example above, you have to pay 1.1228 US dollars to buy 1 British pound. When selling, the exchange rate tells you how many units of the quote currency you get for selling 1 unit of the base currency. In the example above, you will receive 1.1228 US dollars when you sell 1 British pound. The exchange rate or price represents how much of the quote currency is needed for you to get 1 unit of the base currency. If you buy or USD, this simply means that you are buying the base currency and simultaneously selling the quote currency. In caveman talk, buy EUR, sell USD, you would buy the pair if you believe the base currency will appreciate relative to the quote currency. You would sell the pair if you think the base currency will depreciate relative to the quote currency. With so many currency pairs to trade, how do Forex brokers know which currency to list as the base currency and the quote currency? Fortunately, the way that currency pairs are quoted in the Forex market is standardized. You may have noticed that currencies quoted as a currency pair are usually separated with a slash character. Just know that this is a matter of preference, and the slash may be omitted or replaced by a period, a dash, or nothing at all. For example, some traders may type EUR, USD as EUR USD or just URSD. They all mean the same thing. Watch out for next and subscribe for more.